Good afternoon everyone, today we're looking at another Luminox watch review, looking at one of the Pacific Diver watches today. So I can put my other glove on and then we'll get right to it. So it's housed in a little sort of fishing net, and the box inside is a deployment style box, as you can see here, meant to be just chucked into your army bag and then off you go. A simple sort of fold over buckle. Has a simple sort of fabric system. So here we go guys, this is the Luminox Pacific Diver XS.3123. Has a 44mm case diameter with a 12mm case thickness. Retails at £689. It is quite a pricey watch, and weighs 175 grams. Does feel quite weighty in the wrist here, but it'll probably feel a bit less once you take links out. Operates on a Ronda 515 movement that guarantees an accuracy of plus or minus 10 to 20 seconds per month, and you get a 50-month battery life with this watch. So let's move to the dial here. So the dial is a sunray blue style dial with fully luminous hands and fully luminous increments. These hands and increments are always visible no matter the conditions that you're in. Guaranteed of up to, I think it's 25 years with LLT, which is luminous lighting technology, I think it is. And yeah, that's what they use to keep those hands luminous no matter what. Even if it hasn't been in the sun or anything like that, they are still luminous no matter what. The watch is housed in a 316 stainless steel case and the Carbonox bezel, as you can see on the top here. Carbonox is a combination of, I think it's either titanium or steel mixed with carbon long bars in varying percentages depending on the model you go for. The Carbonox is meant to design to give it sort of a bit of an like a rougher look, a bit more rugged. And it's meant to be extra scratch proof and extra tough against shocks and stuff like that. That's the overall sort of aesthetic for it. The watch gives 200-meter walk resistance, and has a polished finish on the outside, as you can see, though not polished, sorry, brush finish, as you can see from those line grains on the side there. Sapphire glass, anti-reflective going across the top. Don't think it's military grade, just plain sapphire glass. I would like to look at crown, obviously it's in this wrapper and I can't take the wrapper off, just with returning it. Coming down to the strap, you've got a nice metal stainless steel strap with, it's 316 to match the rest of the casing. Has a nice line finish coming down the whole strap here, and a nice line brush finish on the actual buckle as well. Luminox logo housed on top of the buckle that offers a double fold over system, as you can see here. Polished finish on the clasp as well. Plenty of room for adjustment on the actual clasp itself. Nice firm click down, which is good. Plenty of room for adjustment on the actual links themselves. Little tiny screws, they're not pins. Carry on to the back plate, nice screw down back plate with a few more sort of markings on the back there. Every second counts designed back plate. Oh, it's upside down. I've been doing that a lot today, putting the watches on upside down. So there we go guys, that is the Luminox Pacific Diver XS3123.